Good morning, everybody. Myself, I am Ushasri, pursuing my PhD under the guidance of Dr. M. Malini, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Osmania University, Hyderabad. The topic of my presentation is classification of FHR signals based on morphological features. This is the agenda of my presentation. And coming to the motivation, leading cause of infant mortality is fetal distress, and one of the major reasons for this is fetal heart defects. The physiological condition of the fetus is identified through electrical activity of the heart. Electronic fetal monitoring is the primary method for assessing fetal well-being during labor. Traditionally, FHR monitoring is done by the nurses and obstetricians in the labor room, which results in inter-observer and intra-observer disparities. Thus, fetal heart rate variability analysis helps in proper understanding and correctly interpreting the information of the fetus health. Objectives are CTG data collection and digitization of FHR signals, reconstruction of FHR signals from digitized data, analysis of fetal heart rate variability, morphological feature extraction of FHR signals, and classification of fetal heart rate variability. Cardiotocography. It is the equipment used in pregnancy to monitor fetal heart rate as well as uterine contractions. An abnormal fetal heart rate indicates the fetus is suffering from oxygen insufficiency. This is the equipment Avalon FM20 CTG machine used for the data collection in the present analysis. The data has been collected from Durgabai Deshmukh Hospital and Research Center and Vijay Mary Hospital in Hyderabad. This image shows the sample data of the CTG graph which has been collected from the hospital. The data statistics are: we have collected total 70 samples, of which 57 samples were feasible to work. We have considered FHR signals of 57 samples for present analysis, and morphological features of baseline FHR, number of accelerations and number of decelerations were calculated for these 57 samples. Based on these features extracted, fetal heart rate variability is classified as normal, suspicious, and abnormal fetal heart rate variability. As the samples collected from the hospitals are in JPEG format, we have digitized the CTG data in order to extract the morphological features, and the digitization process is done by the Unscanit graph digitizing software. It is a 4-step process wherein we have to first load the data into the software, and then we have to set the X limit and Y limits, and depending upon the start and end flags set upon, it will be marking the part of the waveform which need to be digitized. After pressing the digitize button here, the digitization starts, and the red color on the FHR signal shows the part of the FHR signal which is being digitized. Simultaneously, the X and Y samples of the corresponding FHR signal will be displayed on the window. Using these X and Y values, the waveform is reconstructed. In order to assess the reliability of the Unscanit software, we have reconstructed the FHR signal using the X and Y values given by the digitizing software in MATLAB. By visual comparison, we can see that the FHR signal reconstructed in MATLAB is similar to that of the FHR signal recorded on the CTG graph. Coming to the analysis part, morphological features of baseline FHR, FHR variability, presence of accelerations and presence of decelerations was done, and then using these features, classification of fetal heart rate variability has been done. FHR variability is indicated on the CTG graph in this fashion: the accelerations, decelerations, and the baseline variability. This is how the doctors interpret the morphology of the FHR signal and thereby take the necessary clinical decisions. As per the RCOG guidelines, morphological features of baseline FHR, baseline variability, acceleration and decelerations are defined in this fashion. Baseline FHR is the mean value of the FHR signal, and the normal range lies between 110 to 160 beats per minute. And baseline variability is defined as either absent or minimal or moderate and marked variability with respect to the variability in the fetal heart rate measured in beats per minute. Accelerations are the transient increase in FHR signal by 15 beats per minute or more, lasting for 15 seconds. Similarly, decelerations are transient episodes of decreased fetal heart rate below the baseline for more than 15 beats per minute, lasting for 15 seconds. Clinical interpretation is done by the doctors to say whether the patient is having reassuring fetal heart rate variability or non-reassuring heart rate variability based on the 4 morphological parameters. And this is how the same procedure is being done by developing a algorithm in MATLAB for the present analysis. After extracting the features, the classification, the second step, classification of fetal heart rate variability is done as normal in case if all the 4 features are well within the normal range. Suspicious if any one of the feature is defined as non-reassuring, and pathological or abnormal in case 2 or more features are classified as non-reassuring. So with this background, we started developing an algorithm in order to calculate the morphological features and then classify the fetal heart rate variability. We have collected the data from the hospitals, then digitized using the digitizing software, calculated baseline fetal heart rate and its variability, accelerations, decelerations, and finally classified the fetal heart rate variability. These are the results of the virtual baseline calculated. It is calculated by obtaining mean value of the FHR signal directly, and the mean level of the FHR signal excluding the accelerations and decelerations is defined as the true baseline, which gives you the baseline variability. And the accelerations are the transient increase in FHR of 15 beats per minute that lasts for 15 seconds, and similarly the deceleration with transient decrease in FHR for 15 beats per minute or more, lasting for 15 seconds. This is the workspace window. In this M1, M is the virtual baseline, M1 is the true baseline, NA is the number of accelerations and number of decelerations, and you can see the corresponding values of them from. So the program was run for all the 57 samples and the results were tabulated in this fashion. S1, S2 are the and so on are the subjects numbers, and with the corresponding morphological features of virtual baseline, true baseline, number of accelerations and number of decelerations. Theoretical and practical are the values. Theoretical values are the number of accelerations given by the doctors in the hospital from the interpretation done by the CTG graph. And practical values are those values which are extracted from the algorithm developed. So coming to the conclusion, FHR patterns of 57 subjects are digitized using Unscanit digitizing software, and the waveforms were reconstructed in MATLAB. An algorithm is developed in MATLAB to calculate the morphological features of fetal heart rate variability, such as baseline fetal heart rate variability, number of accelerations and number of decelerations. Based upon these features, where heart rate variability is classified as normal, suspicious or abnormal fetal heart rate variability following the RCOG guidelines. It is observed that 2 subjects with no accelerations and presence of decelerations are classified as FHR signals with suspicious variability, and all other results were found to be reassuring patterns with normal fetal heart rate variability. Thank you.